Hello all, welcome to the channel. This is D Square and today I'm gonna show you how to make a buckling simulation on Solidworks and what is the buckling and we will compare our result. So this tool will fail due to the buckling load or yield strength. So I am starting the tutorial. So first I am talking what is the buckling. So when my load is applied perpendicular the cross section area, that time buckling load will occur, or I can say buckling will happen. So here you can see I have a simple tool here, sitting tool, and for that I made a static study for the tool. Here I applied material, fixture and load is also applied here, and this is my result, stress result, and this is my factor of safety. Here you can see my factor of safety is 1.7. This is my minimum factor of safety. Okay, so I am starting the buckling simulation. For that, click here simulation and you can click here new study. In go down you will find here a buckling. Just click right here. We just applied over constraint as a static study, so just select all and drag and drop on buckling. Now click on buckling. Here you can see I applied here my material, my fixture and my load all are the same is my static study. Okay, so just run this study. Okay, here we have the result. Here you can see my load factor. This is my buckling load factor, that is 32.929. So this is my buckling load factor. So but I want to see what is my critical buckling. So for that what I can do, so it is very simple. Multiply load factor into applied load. So by applying this you can get here I am changing the my load 32929. Okay, just click right here. Okay, here just simulate again. So right now we are finding the critical buckling. Okay, so we have the result here. If you here right click and here in result you right click and you can see here list buckling. Here you can get buckling factor safety, that is 1, and also you can get also load factor, that is 1. So this is the how we can find a critical buckling. So here we just compare the result in static, and so my minimum factor of safety is 1.7 and my buckling is only 1. So I can say this tool will fail first due to the buckling, then after the yield. So this is the how buckling study will work. If I animate it, here we fixed the base here, that's why this is animating look like this. Okay, so this is the how buckling study will work. Okay, so thank you for watching. Thank you all.